Hi guys, I showed you it was raining like a few minutes ago, and now it's bright. I actually said it's light. It's awesome. It's not raining anymore. So, I think I want to go outside my balcony again. I'm wearing the same t-shirt because it was only a few minutes ago. So, yeah. And if you noticed, my dad sneaking and finding videos of me on YouTube when I was young and posting them. If you saw those, you must have really liked it. So, I'm gonna show you the sign that was on my balcony. That sign, anyways, that sign says do not enter. I don't know why. Today's my cousin's birthday. And it says do not enter. So, please don't enter. So the thing underneath it is Korean and it says 출입금지. That means do not enter. So, yeah. That side is that. So that's all the boxes and wood and stuff. That, you saw that window, right? That's the secret passage to my room. Anyway, I love my balcony. Yesterday I thought I was having a cousin's birthday at my house, but my mom got sick, so we can't even do it. But it's still a little bit clean and clear. Look up into the sky. It's sunny already. It was only like 2 minutes. Anyways, bye. And don't forget, I'm in Korea and live on the 14th floor.